Friends, how are you people doing? Today we're going to see a story from the Dhammapada of the Tipitaka. It is during the times of the Buddha, 25 centuries back, and it is about how one should take care of one's parents. So happened that there was an old Brahmin in Savitri. He had a lot of money with him. He had around 8 lakhs of rupees and he had 4 sons. So he decides to distribute 1 lakh to each of his sons, and then his wife dies. So he is left with 4 lakhs of cash. The children somehow make make him part with 1 lakh rupees of the remaining amount. So he is penniless, and then he decides to stay with each of the children because they tell him that we'll take care of you. So then he goes to the elder son's house, and the elder son's wife starts berating him. Have you given 1,000 rupees for your upkeep, for your food? So she starts telling him all this. He's frustrated. So he leaves from there and he goes to the second son's house. The second son's house, the wife again of the second son again starts asking him for money. So again he gets fed up and he goes to the third son's house. There also his wife also does the same thing. The fourth son also the same scenario. He is fed up and he takes his staff, he takes his bowl and he goes to the Buddha. The Buddha listens to him and tells him, I'll tell you some verses which you should tell to a large crowd of people in Savatthi who are there in your village. And then accordingly, as per the Buddha, the Brahmin tells the crowd that my children call me father only by name, but by their heart they don't do anything. They have driven me from their houses to ask alms from all, because their wives keep on telling them some things and they don't take care of me at all. My staff is much more better than my sons. So when the crowd listens to all this, they get wild and they beat up the 4 sons, and then the 4 sons, our social image is at stake. So they decide they will take care of their father. So again the father is staying at each of the sons' place and he is given a royal treatment. Each of the son decides to send him food, he get cloth and everything. His weight increases. So he's very much thankful to the Buddha, and he goes to him and tells him, I have so much of food which my sons, I will offer whatever is left over to the Sangha. And then as per the old man's insistence, the eldest son calls the Buddha for alms food. All the children, all the 4 sons, their wives, and the Brahmin is there. When the Buddha comes, they give him alms food, and then the Buddha gives a discourse on how it is very important to take care of one's old parents. It talks about an elephant by the name of Dhanupala who takes care of his old parents, and he is caught by a hunter, and then since he is taken by the hunter, he starts weeping, thinking about how his old parents will be taken care. And in Pali, the Buddha says the following verses. Dhanupala nama kunjaro katukka bedano dunnivarayo bado kabalam na bunjati sumarati nagavanassa kunjaro. That means the elephant called Dhanapala, in severe, must and uncontrollable, being in captivity, eats not a morsel, doesn't eat anything, yearning for his native forest, that is longing to look after his own parents. After this discourse, the old man, his sons and their wives become Sotapattis. So when we look at the story and the Pali verse, we understand that how important it is to look after one's own parents, and if we don't, then we really increase our karma and it really reflects on our future and the present also. May all beings be happy.